Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TGLO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the 14-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 14 cents, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can, like I said, maintain above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at things from more of a big picture type viewpoint, this is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 14 cents would be great. However, from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, right now the party stopped today right up there at 17 cents. So 17 cents will be public enemy number one. All in all, though, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not necessarily top priority right now. In my mind, the big priority is just going through some healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as you have higher lows being built over longer periods of time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and enjoy the trend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.